Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. These are open air display cases. And let me give the overall measurements first. For the units, entire length, it's about like a 19 inches wide. And the overall heights, they are about like 68.5 inches tall. And depths of the units, they are almost about like 26.5 inches deep. As we can see, the units, they come with 1, 2, 3 shelvings on the units. And also they're having over nice covers. This cover, you can slide it over, hook up on here to protect the food inside. And also on top of the units, they have LED lights. And when you're looking at the bottoms, the compressor is mounted right here, and the power switches, and also have a controllers is inside of the units. It's right here. We can take a look closer to see the unit's inner side dimensions. As we can see, the shelvings, they are adjustable heights. You can mount with behind the holes to see the different heights match with the different products you're trying to put on here. Let me give the measurement for the shelvings. The shelving about like 11 inches deep. And 17.5 inches wide. And between each layers right now, we set up as like 10.5 inches tall. For the units, as we also having the standard 110 plugs at the behind using the United Standard 110 plugs, and also they do having sanitation stickers on the other side. They come in with the diagrams, cut sheets, and the ETL sanitation stickers and the Freon tabs of the units. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.